Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to change the language on Steam and Steam games. And if you get any value from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide on how to change your language on Steam and Steam games, there are actually 3 settings that you need to check. First, go to Steam in the upper left corner and click on that. Then click on Settings. Then click on Interface, which is option number 6 on this list. Once you're in Interface, you'll see the Steam client language. And here you can click on this drop-down menu and change your Steam language to any one of these available options. And once you've selected the language, you'll need to restart Steam for it to take effect. For the second method, close the interface window, go to your account name up here, and then click on Account Details. Here on the left, you'll have Language Preferences, which is the third one on this list. And here you can select the primary language and you can click on this drop-down menu to change it to any one of these available languages. I'll leave it on English, and this will display any content in the language you've chosen when possible. And here you can also add secondary languages to Steam. And this will show you content in these secondary languages on the store page and user reviews if it's not available in your primary language. Then if you scroll down, you get to the additional game content languages. And here you can select additional languages which may be supported by content in individual games. But once you're happy with these selections, scroll all the way down until you get to the Save button and click on that. Next, if you want to change the language of a specific game on Steam, go to your library, then select the game that you want to change the language for and right-click on it. Then click on Properties, and here in the General tab, you'll have this option called Language, and you can click on this drop-down menu to change the language to any one of these supported languages. Once you've changed all of these settings, I recommend that you go to Steam and then just click on Exit so you can exit and restart Steam. I hope this guide's been helpful. Please remember to like the video and I'll see you in the next one.